right, welcome back to Hello Neighbor. This is episode 2. Last I believe we left off, we were trying to get up onto the roof. We made it up there, and then he sucked me off with a vacuum cleaner. Wait. Well, I didn't mean it that way. He's coming to suck me off again, so be careful. What's up? Can't get enough, can you? Oh God, I broke him. The fuck is he doing? I think he's pissed that I said he sucked me off. Oh man, what are you doing, motherfucker? Yeah, that's my box tower. Don't worry about that. Good, go inside. Alright, so I think I jumped up on the side. Up here. Oh, son of a bitch! Can we go in other neighbors' houses? Oh no shit. Huh. Clearly this is what I needed. Who needs boxes when you get a table? I'm putting the neighbor's table on his roof. Got a good feeling about this episode. Alright. Now what? I think I go this way. Oh man. Alright. Oh yeah, break the window. With the table! Well, that's convenient. Don't know what this does. Oh, is this the key? Oh, it's probably this stupid lock. How useless. The fuck is this key to? Is there a red lock downstairs? Alright. Well, let's see. That one doesn't open. We need to get through this door. Oh, peeping. Oh, there's the key. Alright, sneak downstairs. What the fuck? Okay, so we gotta go back downstairs. Figure out what this key is to. Oh, alright. So we got the key. We gotta find what lock it goes to. Come on, bro. Oh, shit. Be quiet. I'm hiding. Alright, so I think this key's gotta open a room downstairs. And then that'll get me... Cause I think I gotta go through the roof to get to that. Alright, it's gotta open this one, right? What? What is this one, even? Oh, it's the wrench. Wait, hold on! Alright, we gotta figure out where this key goes to. I wonder if it's back upstairs and I just missed something. Climb back up. Oh, come on. There we go. Oh, we don't need this. Oh, dang it. Can the key break it? Nope. Oh, this can. That painting held a hole in the wall.
Professor McFarland?
Yes, what is it?
And my name is Ellison. This is Harry Jarvis. We're from the Morning Chronicle. I wonder if we could come in for a minute.
Well, I am rather busy.
Oh, house, shed. Oh, shoot. Okay. It's to the car. Maybe I could drive the car into the house and that's how I get into the basement. No, it doesn't work. The car. Trunk? Hey, let's... What the fuck? It's a magnet. Oh, okay. Oh, shit. I know what to do. We got a plan, boys. Let's make a pyramid here. 1. 2. No, why are you jumping out your window, you fool? Kobe! I know. The table I brought. Oh, it's such a good plan. Who needs a pyramid when you got a table? Oh, yeah. There's the wrench. Let's go. Alright. Magnet. Oh, does it not work on that? Oh, what's this? Oh, it's a lockpick. I'm a genius. Let's go. Baby game. Open the door, damn it. Give me that shit. I probably want that lockpick though. Oh, did it use it? Yeah, it used that. Lagoo? Oh, gross, bro. That's so gnarly. I'm taking the crowbar though. That'll come in handy. Alright, so now I have the wrench, so I need to get back outside. No, you saw nothing. Oh yeah? How you like a fucking crowbar, bitch? No wait, I need that. We got it though. We got it. We got this. We got this figured out. So now we got the wrench. I need to pick that crowbar back up because I bet you I'm gonna need that thing too. Can only hold 4 things though. Alright, now this should be able to... Let's go! Go, 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 go! Alright, now I'm on the big roof. Oh man, I got the key to the basement. I knew I needed the crowbar for something. Oh man, he's throwing a fit. That's right, bitch. I stole your crowbar. Ah, you see nothing.
I don't wanna